Okay, so here's a question that a lot of people might have, and that is, what is a setting called ignore repeat? Like, you might have noticed this option and wondered about what it does and why it's there, how can it be useful? Well, let's dive into the details and let me explain it all. First and foremost, ignore repeat is an accessibility feature designed to make your iPhone more user-friendly for people who might have difficulty with precise and controlled touches. Accessibility features are essential as they cater to a wide range of users with different needs, so that's a very good idea that they're there. But like, what exactly does the ignore repeat do? And as the name suggests, this feature ignores repeated taps on the screen that occur within a short period. For instance, if someone accidentally taps the screen 3 times when they only meant to tap it once within, say, 0.2 seconds, the iPhone will recognize it as a single tap. This can be incredibly useful for users who might have difficulty tapping the screen the proper way, so it's definitely a good idea to have it. So to enable or disable the feature, you'll need to navigate to the settings, and here's how you do it. You open up the settings app, obviously you need to know where it is, so then go to the accessibility section, tap on that, and inside there is a dedicated touch section, and within that you can find touch accommodations. Here you'll find various options to adjust how your iPhone responds to touch inputs. Look for the ignore repeat, and once you're in the menu you can enable it, you can disable it, but this doesn't stop there. It's not just a toggle, there are some other options too, because there's also the duration variable. This can be set anywhere from like 0.1 seconds to 2 seconds, even more than that. To be honest, I didn't try how far you can go, but obviously you need to decide how much is enough for you, so it depends on your needs. So yes, this feature is particularly useful for those who need it the most. So it's worth noting that this feature is quite different from another similar sounding concept, which involves managing repeated calls in focus modes. So this is something that you could have mean, but I don't think this is really the case, because focus mode can block incoming phone calls and notifications to minimize distractions. There used to be a setting where if someone called you multiple times in a short period, the call would come through despite being in a focus mode. However, this is a separate function apparently, and it's not related to the ignore repeat feature that we are discussing today. So understanding and utilizing accessibility features like the ignore repeat can be really useful. So hope you found this video useful as well. If it did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.